SSD versus HDD, what's really the difference? Ever wonder why your computer screams past your friends, even though you both bought it around the same time? Chances are, the secret isn't the processor, it's the storage. We're talking about the fundamental battle for your data, SSD versus HDD. Let's break down the mechanics and find out which one truly deserves a home in your machine. Let's start with the classic, the hard disk drive. Think of the HDD as a high-tech record player for your digital life. Your data is stored magnetically on these rigid, spinning disks called platters. To read or write any piece of data, a tiny read-write arm has to physically move across the platter to find the right sector. It's a marvel of mechanical engineering, but that physical movement, that's your major bottleneck. Every time you open a program, the drive has to search for the files. HDDs are cheap and offer massive storage capacity, but they're slow, generate heat, and are vulnerable to drops and physical shock. Now, meet the modern successor, the solid-state drive, or SSD. The name says it all, solid state. No moving parts, zero mechanical action. An SSD stores data on interconnected NAND flash memory chips, the same tech found in your smartphone. Instead of physically moving an arm, the SSD's controller chip simply accesses the data instantly and electronically, like finding a word in a digital document. This electronic access is why SSDs are so fast, so silent, and so incredibly robust. The numbers don't lie. Speed. A typical HDD reads data at about 100 megabytes per second. A basic SATA SSD hits 550 MBs, and the newest NVMe SSDs, they can push up to 7,000 MBs. That's the difference between a minute-long Windows boot and a 5-second splash screen. Random access. This is where the HDD truly fails, because the ARM has to physically move. Finding small, scattered files takes huge amounts of time. It's called latency. SSDs access all data almost instantly, which is why your programs and games load snappier. Durability. The HDD is fragile. A drop can cause a head crash and destroy your data. The SSD is virtually immune to physical shock. So, how do you decide where to put your money? Choose the SSD if you want speed, period. This is essential for your operating system, video editing projects, and any games you want to load instantly. It's non-negotiable for laptops due to the better battery life and durability. Choose the HDD if you need raw storage on a tight budget. This is perfect for cold storage, like backups, family photo archives, or massive media libraries that you don't access every day. The best solution for most users is a hybrid setup. Use a fast, small to medium SSD for your operating system and core applications to get that instantaneous experience. Then, use a larger, cheaper HDD for all your massive files and long-term storage. The HDD is the reliable, high-capacity workhorse. The SSD is the modern, lightning-fast athlete. Understanding the difference means you can make the right upgrade and unlock the full potential of your PC.